Good morning to all. I am Dr. Selvi, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications, Dr. SNS Rajarshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Now I am going to discuss about the subject of business legislation. First, we discuss about the uh, Law of Contract. In Indian Contract Act 1872, which is a comprehensive piece of legislation in India governing contracts, the act is divided into two parts. The first part consists of section 1 to 75, which deals with the general principles of law of contract, and the second part consists of section 124 to 238, which deals with specific types of contracts. Certainly a valid contract typically requires the presence of several essential elements. These elements form the foundation for a contract to be legally enforceable. Next topic is essentials of a valid contract. A valid contract must have the following essentials. First one is offer and acceptance, that is mutual consent. There must be a clear offer by one party and an unqualified acceptance by the other. Both parties must agree on the terms of the contract. Second one is the intention to create a legal relationship. Both parties must intend to create a legal relationship, and both the parties bound by the terms of the contract. Social and domestic agreements often lacks of this intention. Next, essentials of a valid contract is legal capacity. Both parties must have the legal capacity to enter into a contract. This means that must be of sound mind, of legal age, and not under the influence of substance that impair judgments. Next one is lawful objects, legal purpose. The purpose of the contract must be lawful. The agreement should not involve anything illegal or against public policy. Next one is certainty and possibility of performance. The term of the contract must be clear, certain, and capable of being performed. If the terms are vague or impossible to perform, the contract must be valid. Next one is consideration. There must be a valuable consideration exchanged between the parties. Consideration is something the value, that is, the value must be in the category of money or goods or services or the premises. It includes each party to enter into the contract. Next essential of a valid contract is co- consent, free and genuine. The consent of both the parties must be free and genuine. It should not be obtained through the influence or fraud or misrepresentation or the mistake. Next one is legality of the forms. If it is required means some contract must be in the form of writing or the following specific formalities to be valid. For example, real estate transactions or contract that cannot be performed within a year may require written documentations. These are the essentials of a valid contract. Collectively ensure that the contract is fair, voluntary, and legally binding. Failure to meet any of these requirements may render the contract enforceable or valid. It's important to note that contract laws can vary by jurisdiction, so specific requirements may differ based on the local legal principles. If you are entering into a significant contract, it is advisable to seek legal advice to ensure compliance with the applicable laws. Thank you.